வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ.
ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 9 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி யூனிட் 10 இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் ரெவல்யூஷன் லெசன் புக் எக்ஸசைஸ் question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, who established the first steamboat service? Option A, Arkwright. Option B, Samuel Crompton. Option C, Robert Fulton. Option D, James Watt. Here the correct answer is option C, Robert Fulton. Second one, why was Manchester considered ideal for textile production? Option A, availability of land. Option B, rich human resources. Option C, better living condition. Option D, cool climate. Here the correct answer is option D, cool climate. Third one, who invented the sewing machine? Option A, Elias Howe. Option B, Eli Whitney. Option C, Samuel Crompton. Option D, Humphrey Davy. Here the correct answer is option A, Elias Howe. Fourth one, which family introduced steam engine in France? Option A, de Windle. Option B, de Hindle. Option C, de Ormond. Option D, de Renault. Here the correct answer is option A, de Wendell. Fifth one, who called Slater the father of American Industrial Revolution? Option A, F.D. Roosevelt. Option B, Andrew Jackson. Option C, Winston Churchill. Option D, Woodrow Wilson. Here the correct answer is option B, Andrew Jackson. Sixth one, which of the following is observed to commemorate the Haymarket Massacre? Option A, Independence Day. Option B, Farmers' Day. Option C, Labor Day. Option D, Martyrs' Day. So here the correct answer is option C, Labor Day. Seventh one, where was Dovernian Customs Union formed? Option A, England. Option B, Germany. Option C, France. Option D, America. Here the correct answer is option B, Germany. Eighth one, who produced the first batch of automobiles in France? Option A, Louis Renault. Option B, Armand Peugeot. Option C, Thomas Alva Edison. Option D, McAdam. Here the correct answer is option B, Armand Peugeot. Ninth one, what was the invention that removed seeds from cotton? Option A, rolling mill. Option B, cotton gin. Option C, spinning mule. Option D, spinning jenny. Here the correct answer is option B, cotton gin. 10th one, which of the following was used as fuel in olden days to smelt iron? Option A, coke. Option B, charcoal. Option C, firewood. Option D, paper. Here the correct answer is option B, charcoal. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash called for voting rights to men in England. The answer is the Chartist. Second one, dash changed the way roads were built around the world. The answer is John Loudon McAdam. Third one, dash discovered a faster and cheaper method of production of steel. The answer is Henry Bessemer. Fourth one, dash advocated scientific socialism. The answer is Karl Marx. Fifth one, the first railroad line started in Germany was in the year dash. The answer is December 1835. Third Roman letter, find out the correct statement. First one, statement 1. British mine owners were faced with the problem of water seeping into their mines. Statement 2. Employing human labor was cheap for this work. Statement 3. Newton invented a steam engine to pump water out of mines. Statement 4. Water had to be removed to get coal in mines. Option A, 1 is correct. Option B, 2 and 3 are correct. Option C 1 and 4 are correct. Option D 3 is correct. So here the correct answer is option C 1 and 4 are correct. That is statement 1 and 4 are correct. Other two are wrong. Second one, statement 1. Trade unions were formed by laborers to get their rights. Statement 2. Germany's political setup was the most significant challenge for the Industrial Revolution. Statement 3. To protect capitalists, Karl Marx advocated socialism. Statement 4. There were no natural resources in Germany. Option A 1 is correct. Option B 2 and 3 are correct. Option C 1 and 4 are correct. Option D 3 is correct. Here the correct option is not given. The correct answer is statement 2 is correct. Other three statements are wrong. Third one, assertion. Workers had rights to get holidays. Reason. There were laws to protect the workers. Option A. A is correct or is wrong. Option B. Both A and R are wrong. Option C. Both A and R are correct. Option D. A is correct or is not correct explanation of A. So here the correct answer is option B. Both A and R are wrong. Fourth one, assertion. Slater was called the father of American Industrial Revolution. Reason. A spinning textile mill was duplicated and his techniques became popular. Option A. A is correct and or is the correct explanation of A. Option B. A is wrong and or is the correct explanation of A. Option C. Both A and or are wrong. Option D. Both A and or are correct. So here the correct answer is option A. A is correct and or is the correct explanation of A. Fourth Roman letter match the following. First one, Benz, Germany. Second one, safety lamp, Humphrey Davy. Third one, quadric cycle, Louis Renault. Fourth one, Great Railroad Strike, USA. Fifth one, Coalfield, Lancashire. Fifth Roman letter, answer the following questions briefly. Question number 1. What was the condition of laborers' house during Industrial Revolution? Question number 2. Account for urbanization in England. Question number 3. Attempt a note on Haymarket massacre. Question number 4. What do you know of Louis Renault? Question number 5. Highlight any two important results of Industrial Revolution. Roman letter, answer in detail. Question number 1. Enumerate the causes for the second industrialization in the USA. Question number 2. What were the effects of Industrial Revolution of England on India? Activity. Question number 1. Organize the debate on the positive and negative aspects of Industrial Revolution. Assignment. Question number 2. Write an assignment on the modern plastic road being made by used plastics. Let us see some additional questions for TNPSC.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.